morning!
We have a lot of you today. Let's go! It's the first time we see you score.
Umaga!
21K, let's go!
Okay, let's go!
Good morning, good morning.
Oh, yan sana masarap. Medyo mabilis, mabagal ako ah.
Ang daming sinasabi! Good morning guys! First time namin mag 21K today. At ang goal namin ay matapos na. Tapos titignan namin kung G pa kami for races next time. 1K na daw yun. 1K na daw. 20 na lang po. Pacing. World Trade Center. Going to CCP area. Intersection. Yes! Gas station. So to pay. I don't know who's one card. CCP. Yay, buhay pa naman. 3. OM, BSP. Hello, sa mga duty.
Wala, wrong na.
Libo hydrating. Ito muna tayo. I bought a reusable cup today. Tapos na-anticipate ko na siya. Around past 5 km na. We hydrated na din. So approaching tayo ng Rizal Park. Pero medyo madilim ngayon. Luneta, Rizal Park. Manila Hotel. For toilet muna tayo. Kasi ako nakapag-empty ng bladder kanina. Pero umihi naman ako before going out. Pero it's a must for me. Pero since late na kami dumating than expected, CCR tayo. Nandun na sila. Hahabol po tayo dahil tayo nag-for toilet. National Museum, City Hall, Energy Gel. First time ko matry ito guys. Lagkit. Ibo. Kami mga truck. Yay! 7 a.m. There. Ahon. Let's go. Kababa na. Yay!
Morning!
Good morning!
Morning, good!
Yes! U-turn tayo dito.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning!
Morning.
Sabay ka doon.
Dito naman tayo. Let's go! Ha! Good morning! Gabi naman. Good morning! 8 na! Thank you! Thank you! Yeah! Roaching! Jamuras! Mas may sumali talaga ako ngayon para umabot ng Intramuros. Kasi nabibitin ako eh. Hindi ako umabot dito first time lang. Yeah! Yeah! Made it here! Daily! 10K! Okay guys, half Mary. Quarter Mary. Yay! So ngayon, buhay pa naman. Pero just this morning, sinisipon ako. So tamang pacing lang tayo para maabot natin yung goal natin, which is 21. Pace check. Okay, winner pa si Maybelline Fit Stay. Winner pa yung ating lipstick. It's Maybelline Fit. Kahit nagpunas-punas ako. Ang gamit kong setting spray ay Face Lady. Pilay natin ay Absidy. Yan. And then, Elana. Ibas boredom lang. Yes! Sa Plaza Roma. Manila Cathedral. Ito pala yun. San Agustin. Barbaras. Si Bibo ay nandun na. Kaya mo yan, Bibo. Kaya natin to. Siemens Hospital. Duty muna tayo dyan. Hello, PLM. PLM on the side. Off na. Yeah. Kanan muna tayo. On my second Gugel. Okay. Burger. Nasa Bonifacio Drive kami ngayon. Tuluneta. 14 na daw. Rizal Park. Ross Body Park. Yay. We're back here at Admiral Hotel. We only have 5 km left. Thank you. Hi, OM! Kiring up na po tayo. Let's go! Official running partner, Puma. Hydrate muna. Punas para hindi ma-overheat. So medyo nararamdaman ko na yung ngalay sa paa ko. Pero so far hindi naman ako nagka-cramps. Timely naman yung pag-take natin ng GU. Pero first time ko lang kasi mag-GU. Medyo practice ko na rin ito. Lagkit kasi. Sobrang thick niya. Pero okay pa naman yung paa. Woo! Yes! Pwede mo na magtaho. Yes, pabalik na tayo. Ito na. Yan. Dami yung photographer dito. Yan sila. 17 na daw. Aliw Theater. Star City. Airplane. Good na. Salted watermelon. Medyo nakakaramdam na ako ng mga side stitch ngayon. So, 17 km. We have 4 km left. 18 km. Na tayo. Woo! Senate! 19 daw. Okay. Final na. Final na. Yan na. Ang mga nag-aantay sa atin sa kabila. Last na daw, go wild. Wild as you turn down. Wild as you turn. Morning! Ito tayo, lapit na. Yay! It's my son. Final push na. Gawin naman tayo rat-rat mode. Laban ng natin to guys. Lapit na. Feel the beat of the yes! Oh my God, gusto mo umiyak. First 21k. First 21k. Oh my God. Yes! Woo, 21 half Mary!
Just me.
So hopefully, of course, it's fast and you're able to open up more slots. And for all of you, of course, who are requesting for that, check that you're wearing.
Tapos
Let's get our loot bags. Towel.
And first place, 10K, breaking records, of course.
Yes, yes.
Take a good look.
Congratulations, ladies.
Yay!
Female for 20 to 24 age category.